Looking for a reliable glue gun to handle your DIY, crafting, or repair projects like a pro? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best hot melt glue guns on the market, from budget-friendly options to professional-grade power tools. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Kejector HI-N1 hot melt glue gun. The Kejector HI-N1 hot melt glue gun is a highly versatile and portable tool designed for a wide range of crafting, home repair, and DIY projects. Its key feature is its fireproof and heat-resistant construction, making it capable of withstanding temperatures up to 300 C, ensuring reliable performance even in demanding conditions. The material used in the glue gun burns slowly, offering enhanced safety and durability. Thanks to its advanced PTC ceramic heating technology, the HI-N1 glue gun heats up rapidly in just 1-2 minutes. This ensures a consistent temperature for smooth, precise results, allowing for efficient use in both intricate and larger projects. The glue gun operates with a convenient 7 mm diameter glue stick, which is perfect for various materials such as paper, plastic, wood, leather, ceramics, and circuits. Portability is another major advantage of the HI-N1 model. Its compact, palm-sized design allows you to easily take it anywhere, whether you're working at home, in the workshop, or on the go. With a generous 1.5-meter cable, you'll have plenty of reach, and the built-in safety circuit offers extra protection against overheating, ensuring safe operation during long periods of use. Additionally, the glue gun features a drip-free nozzle, a heat-resistant rubber cap, and a sturdy stand, making it both user-friendly and safe. The trigger is effortless to use, enhancing comfort during extended tasks. This tool is suitable for various applications, including crafts, holiday decorations, unique artwork, and simple home repairs. Included in the package are 30 high-quality clear glue sticks, giving you everything needed to get started right away. Always ensure not to touch the nozzle while the gun is in use, and simply hold it by the handle for safe handling. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional crafter, the Kejector HI-N1 hot melt glue gun is a reliable and efficient tool for any project. Coming in at number 4, the Haushof hot melt glue gun. The Haushof hot melt glue gun is designed to make your DIY projects easier and more efficient. It heats up in just 3 to 5 minutes, allowing you to start working quickly. Once heated, the gun dispenses between 0.28 to 0.42 of glue per minute, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Whether you're working with paper, metal, plastic, wood, fabric, or ceramic, this glue gun can create strong bonds on virtually any material, making it a versatile tool for home, office, and school DIY crafts or decorations. The glue gun comes with 20 mini glue sticks, each measuring 0.28 in diameter and 4 in length. These strong adhesive glue sticks ensure a secure bond, while also being designed to protect your health and the items you're working on. It is important to note that after use, you should avoid pulling out the melted glue stick, as doing so can damage the gun. Simply leave the glue stick inside for the next use. For added convenience, the Haushof hot melt glue gun features a foldable bracket, allowing it to stand upright for easy access and storage. The silicone cover and insulated nozzle provide extra protection, preventing scalds and glue leakage during use. This makes it safe and user-friendly, even for beginners. The glue gun also features a trigger propulsion device, which allows for precise control of the glue flow. This mechanism ensures smooth operation, helping to save on glue stick usage. Additionally, the Haushof glue gun is designed to work in ultra-low temperatures as low as 23.2 C, making it reliable in various environments. Haushof prioritizes customer satisfaction and product quality. If you encounter any issues with the glue gun, their fast and friendly customer service team is ready to assist you promptly. At number 3, we have the AdTech Pro 200 hot melt glue gun. The AdTech Pro 200 hot melt glue gun is a versatile, professional-grade tool designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from carpentry to DIY and home repairs. With its powerful 200-watt PTC heating system, the Pro 200 provides maximum efficiency, heating up to 410 F/210 C in just 3 minutes. This ensures quick and reliable bonding for all your projects, with an impressive output of 3.5 lbs of glue per hour. Crafted for comfort, the Pro 200 features an ergonomic trigger that minimizes strain on your hand, requiring less pressure than typical glue guns. This makes it ideal for extended use during large projects. Additionally, the sturdy, built-in metal base stand ensures stability when not in use, preventing spills and allowing for easy storage. The AdTech Pro 200 is UL certified, assuring users of its safety during operation. Designed with durability in mind, the glue gun's strong plastic shell withstands regular use, and it is compatible with AdTech's full-size high-temp hot melt sticks, ensuring high-quality results. These glue sticks are acid-free and contain no harsh chemicals, making them safe for a variety of materials. Whether you're tackling home repairs, crafting, or complex DIY projects, the AdTech Pro 200 hot melt glue gun delivers the power, speed, and comfort you need for a seamless experience. Next up at number 2 is the Surebonder CL-800F hot melt glue gun. The Surebonder CL-800F hot melt glue gun is a versatile and powerful tool designed to meet the needs of both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It delivers an impressive temperature of up to 380 F, ensuring optimal bonding for a variety of materials, including metal, wood, ceramics, and other porous and non-porous surfaces. This high heat capability allows for a strong, reliable bond that can handle even challenging projects. One of the standout features of the Surebonder CL-800F is its dual power option. The glue gun can be used indefinitely while plugged in, providing continuous operation for extended tasks. Alternatively, it can function cordlessly for up to 3 minutes, offering flexibility and ease of movement when working in different environments. Whether you are tackling a small repair or a larger crafting project, this glue gun adapts to your needs. To enhance convenience, the Surebonder CL-800F includes a heating base. This feature allows users to safely store and warm the glue gun between applications, ensuring it's always ready for the next task. Additionally, the gun is equipped with a built-in non-stick silicone glue pad that is connected to the base. This pad serves a practical purpose by catching any drips of hot glue, preventing messes and making cleanup easier. With its user-friendly design and ability to handle a variety of materials, the Surebonder CL-800F hot melt glue gun is a reliable tool for any project, from home repairs to crafting endeavors. Finally, at number 1, we have the Gorilla Hot Melt Glue Gun. The Gorilla Hot Melt Glue Gun is a versatile tool designed to handle a wide variety of crafting and repair tasks with ease. Featuring dual temperature settings, it allows you to select the right heat for different materials. The low heat setting is perfect for delicate items such as floral arrangements, fabric, foam, and jewelry, ensuring a gentle and precise application. Meanwhile, the high heat setting provides a strong bond for tougher materials like wood, plastic, metal, and glass, making it ideal for DIY projects or professional repairs. This kit includes a mini dual temp glue gun and 75 count of 4 mini hot glue sticks with 8.27 diameter, ensuring you're well equipped for your crafting needs. An important tip is not to pull the glue sticks from the gun. If changing the glue, simply feed the remainder through the gun to prevent clogging or damage. Ease of use is another highlight of the Gorilla Hot Melt Glue Gun. The comfort grip and easy squeeze trigger make it simple to handle for extended periods, while the built-in stand and wide base offer stability during use. The long insulated nozzle ensures precision, allowing you to apply glue exactly where it's needed, whether for intricate details or larger surface areas. The glue sticks are weather-resistant and impact-tough, ensuring reliable bonding both indoors and outdoors. With a 45-second working time, the glue allows you to make adjustments before it sets. For added peace of mind, the gun is designed with enhanced safety features, including an automatic shut-off fuse to prevent overheating and side fins that make it easy to lay the gun down without risk of glue backup. The insulated nozzle further helps prevent burns during use, ensuring a safer experience for users.